Hi everyone, today we will do Progressive Magazine Dictation exercise number 2. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. 28 lakh hectares will be brought under irrigation under this scheme. Implementation of 89 irrigation projects under AIBP which have been languishing will be fast-tracked. This will help to irrigate 80 lakh hectares. These projects require rupees 17,000 crore next year and rupees 86,000 crore in the next 5 years. We will ensure that 23 of these projects are completed before this financial years. A dedicated long-term irrigation fund will be created in NABARD with an initial corpus of about rupees 20,000 crore. To achieve all these, a total provision of rupees 12,000 crore has been made through budgetary support and market borrowings. Simultaneously, a major program for sustainable management of groundwater resources has been prepared with an estimated cost of rupees 6,000 crore and proposed for multilateral funding. At least 5 lakh farm ponds and dug wells in the rain-fed areas and 10 lakh compost pits for production of organic manure will be taken up by making productive use of the allocations under Manrega. The Soil Health Card scheme is now being implemented with greater vigor. Through this, farmers get information about nutrient level of the soil and can make judicious use of fertilizers. The target is to cover all the 14 crore farm holdings by March 2017. Rupees 300 crore has been provided for national project on soil health and fertility. Besides 2,000 model retail outlets of fertilizers companies will be provided with soil and seed testing facilities during the next 3 years. Fertilizer companies will also co-market city compost which increases the efficacy of chemical fertilizer. A policy for the conversion of city waste into compost has been approved by the government under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to increase crop yields in rain-fed areas which account for nearly 55% of the country's cultivable land. Organic farming is being promoted. Towards this end, the government has launched two important schemes. First, the Parampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana, which will bring 5 lakh acres under organic farming over a 3-year period. Second, the government has launched a value chain based organic farming scheme called Organic Value Chain Development in Northeast region. The emphasis is on value addition so that organic produce grown in these parts find domestic and export markets. A total provision of rupees 4,000 crore has been made for these schemes. Access to markets is critical for the income of farmers. The government is implementing the Unified Agriculture Marketing Scheme, which envisages a common e-market platform that will be deployed in selected 585 regulated wholesale markets. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.